like a bivouac. Let's explore this. This is so exciting. We are inside. We got the stove. We got wood. We got everything. This is so crazy. I've never been into one of these. I got the fire extinguisher. There are beans. There are beans. There are sauce and eggs. All these chairs. Another eggs. We got coffee. What is this? Are these like biscuits? There are pans. All cooking equipment. This is fun. This just looks like a window, you're right. It's so cozy in here, and it's raining a little bit outside, so that makes it even like better. And it's also really hot in here, thanks to the stove. The craziest part about it is that I didn't even expect it to be here. Good night.